Booking recurring series appointments is made easy on our EHR. Let's take a look at how it works. From your scheduler, click Book New Appointment or any open time slot. Now, select your patient and type a visit. Click Book Series Appointment at the bottom of your calendar window to start booking a series appointment. You can book your recurring appointment series by day, week, or month. Let's book a series appointment by day. If you're a pain management specialist and need to book an appointment for a patient every 3 days, all you need to do is select your start and end dates, followed by how many days this will recur, which in this case is every 3 days. Then our EHR will automatically display all available slots based on the date range and recurring days. You'll also be able to view the total number of appointments. And if there are any unavailable appointment slots, our EHR will suggest the next available slot. Click on the time to confirm the suggested appointment, or click the icon next to the time to manually choose the available slot for that day. Similarly, if you need to adjust any appointment times, simply click on the icon next to the time and choose your preferred time slot. Plus, if you already know the total number of appointments for your patient within a selected date range, you can enter the total number of appointments here. Our EHR will automatically display all available slots based on the total number of appointments within the selected date range. Click Book Appointment to book your series appointment. Let's jump over to booking a recurring series appointment by week. If you're a physical therapist and your patient needs to come in once a week for the next 6 weeks, just enter the start date, the week duration, and the recurring period. You can specify any days of the week if necessary, or select all for all days. Once you select the days, our EHR will automatically show you all available slots for the recurring appointment. Click Book Appointment to book your series appointment. To book a series appointment by month, select your start date, followed by the month or months you're looking for. You can then specify any dates if necessary. You can select Last, which will show you the available slots on the last days of the month selected. You can select All, which will show you all available slots within the selected month range. Or you can also specify any preferred days of the week. Let's say only Mondays and Thursdays. Plus, you can even specify if you would like our EHR to show you the first or second Mondays and Thursdays based on the selected month range. Then click Book Appointment to book your series appointment. We've purposely designed different variations of the Book Series Appointment so you have complete flexibility when it comes to booking recurring appointments. And importantly, we wanted to save time for our practices, so they're not manually booking recurring appointments.